Okay, so this is our last example for repeated subtraction. Remember, we're going to be working from this, and these are smaller numbers. Eventually, you'll graduate to larger numbers, but we're trying to get the deeper understanding of how division works before we even try to get answers only. Okay, so number 3 is going to be 16 divided by 4. We're going to try to figure out what is our quotient. What is our answer? That's what we're trying to figure out. So remember, I'm skipping a line because I don't want to get confused. So this is just a question. Now I'm going to try to work it out and see what answer I get. So it is 16 subtract 4. And that's because this is the divisor and we're dividing by 4. Right? So in order for me to figure out what 16 divided by 4 is, how much am I going to get? I have to work it out this way. So it's 16 subtract 4. So what is that going to be? That's going to be 12 after I subtracted. And remember, we're practicing subtraction. Some of us have been making errors and are forgetting the concept of subtracting, right? So we need to practice that and remember that. And look at what our answers are and figure out if it makes sense or not. Okay, so now we're going to go 12 subtract 4. How much is 12 minus 4? You can count on your fingers if you have to. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So your answer is going to be 8, right? Subtracting, so that's 8. Now let's go 8 minus 4. This one is easy. It's going to give you 4. We're subtracting 4 each time. Now 4 minus 4. That's going to give you a 0. See, so we're always trying to get to 0. And that's when we're not, because we're putting it into breaking it down at minus 4 each time. So how many times did I have to do this? 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to notice that I really have to put a space between those numbers because I don't want people to be confused and think this number is a part of that. I have to put a little circle around it so they can know it is not a part of the answer in this case, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I did that 4 times. Now let me verify my answer. If I multiply 4 times 4, am I going to get 16? Yes, I'm going to get 16. So that's how you do that one. Now, when you're doing the practice, I want you to write practice so I can know the difference between the examples and what you did for practice. So practice, you're going to write the word practice. And we're following all these instructions. I do not want you to do anything differently for now. I want you to follow all the instructions, all right? When you've mastered the stage, then you can do your own strategies. But right now we're doing it exactly like how I've asked you. So you're going to just start with number 4 and put the number 4 so I can know the number 4. That's what you're working with. And number 4 right here says 24 divided by 6. You want to figure out what it is equal to. So you remember, you skip a line to start working it out, to start solving the division. So you're going to go 24 minus 6, and then you will continue on your own, until you're all the way down to 0. You write your answer here, and then you do your verification by multiplication. If you have any questions, class, please let me know. I will upload everything for you today. All right, bye. See you guys.